Dreams ain't never come true. Not for me, but what about you? I said dreams ain't never come true. Not for me, but what about you? Check it out. Here's a little story about a kid I knew. His life got worse as he grew and grew. The dreams he had never came true. He robbed for a living just to make it through. I don't want to live, let me tell you the truth. The kid is me, the world got me confused. Love is gonna get you, so don't act the fool. I've been there before and now I'm sad and blue. You see my wife is gone, my kids are too. Now tell me what the heck am I supposed to do? Fire from my job cause I drink too much brew. I feel I wanna, but I'ma try to keep cool. The last words I heard was, Daddy, I love you. And now I want them back cause I refuse to lose. Ever since the big home, I've been acting a fool. Bouncing checks left to right to buy my baby some shoes. My kids mean the world to me cause that's what I choose. But I'm still in the ghetto, singing the blues. Hoping that someday the Lord helps me through. By the touch of his finger, his power moves and moves. I stay plugged in the church like everyone should. Praying every day, bring back my family for good. As I close my eyes, will my dreams come true? No, not for me, but what about you? You see dreams, they never come true. Not for me, but what about you? I said dreams, they never come true. Not for me, but what about you? Check it out, you see I was once lost, but now I'm found. A1 hooked it up with some beats that pound. In the studio recording, yeah, I like how it sound. No more sad song, kids, daddy, turn it around. To see you smile, not frown. I want my kids right now. Put a bullet to my head is how I feel right now. But I gotta be real right now, so I'm just gonna chill right now. This is dirt off my shoulder, take a hit of this now. Take a drink of this now, I'm celebrating right now. It's my sister's birthday, so we gotta get down.